Hi, students, parents, professionals, good morning. So, today onwards, we will be giving you 10 videos, long videos on studying in Germany. Whatever concepts you have, this will be a totally in depth view about your ideas which can take a form once you go through these videos. So, we will start with Germany. Why Germany? And why is free education? Is it true? And why Yes Vidya? So, this will be our first video. So, why we are doing this video? So that you know about the benefits of studying in Germany, and also why and how Yes Vidya will be with you. That also we will tell you here. So, have you dreamt of studying abroad and got scared or frustrated thinking about the education loan and the consequences? But can you dream of a country where it is a global forefront of engineering, technology, business, hospitality, art, architecture, but you don't have the pressure of fees or loan? Yeah, zero tuition fees exist in the world. I am Ajanta, the founder of Yes Vidya, and today we are sitting in a special series to help you unlock the global future. Today, why Germany is the ultimate destination for 2025 and how we will make it happen for you. We will go about it. And don't miss our event on 11th to know each detail about it and your free profile evaluation. Now, when we think of Germany, yeah, it is one of the most powerful economy, in Europe, and the job market is too good. When we say good, don't be confused what you see nowadays, that recession has affected the job market and all. Germany really looks after the people who are there in their country, and there is a very good opportunity. Whether Bosch, whether the hospitality industry, whether the design industry, whether the architecture industry, everywhere you are into a very good career once you complete your undergrad or postgrad or PhD. Moreover, quality of life. When you think of return of investment, I always say it's not always monetary, it's also the quality of life. It's a beautiful country, it's central to Europe, and it's very, very safe with a very good social security. And you get an 18-month post study job seeker visa, and that is a huge lottery, that's a huge benefit. Okay, so when we think of Germany isn't just about fast cars and beautiful landscapes. It's a country that values talent over bank balances. Yeah, with an 18 months post study work visa, students don't just get a degree, they get a career. Whether you are looking at a master's in management, robotics, mechatronics, mechanical, architecture, design, hospitality, Germany is the place to be. Now, the next question what we want to answer is free education a reality? Yeah, it's a reality. Public universities education is almost free. It has a very small semester fees, maybe 300 euro or something, or maybe less than that. So you can call it free only. The applied science universities are not free, but they have very good scholarships. On top of that, if you don't qualify with your grades for the public university, there is student Kulen or a foundation year with which you can enter the public university. So there is not one door, there are three doors through which you can enter a place whose return of investment is very high and whose quality of life is also very, very, very high. Though the admission in public universities is very competitive, you not only need high grades, but also the most important is right documentation. There is where we can really hold your hands. And on top of that, the living cost is shown as a block account. It is known as a block account, and it's approximately 11904 per year. That is, if you do a 2 years masters, you have to keep it blocked for the first year, and also till your second year visa is once more done. Till that time, your money needs to be blocked. So if you consider about the block account, it is not absolutely free because tuition fee is free, but you have to have the block account. But the plus point, it is your money, it is only kept as a security. And the second is, the banks, they give you the blocked account loan, which is not for any other country, because living cost loan generally the banks don't give. They give the education means fees loan. But since Germany's quality of education is very high and the ranking is beyond QS, so the organizations are there who will give you a loan for your blocked account, and we will help you in getting that. So we even generated loan within 24 hours for a student. So that's our USP, that's my USP, that's my strength. People believe in me, and the students who go through Yes Vidya is considered, they have a very high ranking in the market, because we don't take students who don't qualify. We don't believe in that. We don't believe in transactional models. We are mentor model, we are international coach model. So I take students and who qualify for the public universities, otherwise we give them other paths through which also they can enter. Got my point? So when you ask me, ma'am, or when you ask me, Ajanta, is it really free? The answer is yes for public universities. But the catch is, because it's free, thousands and thousands and applications come from all around the world. So it is more of an elimination than selection. So how you keep selected and don't get eliminated? So for that, you need a strategy, and we help you in building the strategy and go ahead to accomplish your goal, you can say, to achieve your goal, you can say. So then you will ask me, ma'am, so many people are there who are working on this, but why should we go with you? Here again, we will give you the right strategy which suits you. We will not give you what is not good for you. If you don't qualify, we will not take up your case. We will give you other options of other, maybe within Germany or outside Germany. That we will tell you. That's the mentor model, that's the principles model, that's the model which has principles, because I have been the principal. So you can get the best strategy if you come to Yes Vidya. And we have a huge experience, from profile evaluation to preparation for visa, getting your validation, even finding an accommodation, and a holistic development. From the time you come to us, we nurture you so that you bloom within and are absolutely ready for a beautiful life, a quality life with a education which is absolutely free or almost free. So we can say it in this way: at Yes Vidya, we don't just process files, we profile lives. We have seen students lose their dreams because of one wrong document or a poorly written SOP. Yeah, you cannot write SOP with an AI, you need something more than AI. Yeah, you can take the guidance from AI, but you have to write it yourself. And how you can write the best SOP, I polish it for you all. We bridge that gap. We handle the stress of the APS certificate, the blocked account, the visa interview, the validation before admission, so you can focus on your language and your future are the rest of all the things we look after. So Germany is just waiting for you. But the intake cycles close fast. If you want a free profile evaluation, click the link in our description or visit us as Yes Vidya and register or inquire. Don't forget to subscribe. In the next video, we will give you the all the details about the APS certificate, the most important document you need right now. So see you on 11th, online or offline. I will be there to talk with you. My Zoom will be open for the whole day. Anytime you can enter, you can walk in and do your free profile evaluation. Germany is calling you. And till the next video, see you once more. Thank you. Bloom within.